Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam's largest metropolis and its beating heart, a place where the past and future collide in an endless dance of motion and energy, and every street corner invites you into a new story. Formerly known as Saigon, this is a city that doesn't just exist, it pulses.
Nestled in the southern reaches of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City is more than a place on the map, it's a living, breathing experience. From the rhythmic buzz of motorbikes to the scent of street food rising with the morning sun, this is a place that comes alive with all five senses.
District 1, the city's energetic core, is where colonial elegance meets skyscraper ambition. Here you'll find the Saigon Central Post Office, designed by Gustave Eiffel, standing proudly across from the red brick Notre Dame Cathedral, both remnants of a French past, now woven into Vietnam's vibrant present.
Step into the Reunification Palace, once home to South Vietnam's president. Its time capsule interior, filled with vintage furniture and underground war rooms, tells the story of a nation that faced war, reunification, and rebirth, right here in the heart of Saigon.
But this is not a city that lingers in the past. The skyline stretches upward, with glass towers like the Bitexco Financial Tower piercing the clouds. Rooftop bars glitter above the streets, and trendy cafes pop up beside ancient temples, blending old and new in a uniquely Vietnamese rhythm.
History echoes deeply at the War Remnants Museum, where sobering exhibits recount the cost of conflict. Through haunting images and preserved weapons, visitors witness the resilience of a people who endured decades of hardship and emerged with hope.
Just outside the city lies a very different historical experience, the CUG tunnels. These underground passageways, used by the Viet Cong, are narrow, humid, and unforgettable. Crawling through them reveals the human ingenuity and endurance that shaped modern Vietnam.
And then there's the food. Ho Chi Minh City is a culinary paradise, where every meal is a celebration of flavor, texture, and tradition. From steaming bowls of pho to crispy banh mi sandwiches, every dish is made to be savored slowly or devoured on the go.
For the true taste of the city, wander the sidewalks at night. On Nguyen Thuan Hien Street, stalls sizzle with seafood skewers, savory pancakes called bonzio, and sweet desserts layered with beans, jelly, and coconut milk. It's loud, chaotic, and completely delicious.
Markets here are more than places to shop, they're windows into daily life. At Ben Thanh Market, you'll find silk, spices, and smiles. But for a more local vibe, head to Binh Tay Market in District 5's Cholin area, where the city's Chinese heritage shines through in every product and prayer.
Cholin itself is a city within a city. Home to one of Southeast Asia's largest Chinese communities, it's filled with herbal medicine shops, roast duck restaurants, and temples like Tian Hao Pagoda, where coiled incense smokes curl upward in slow spirals toward the sky.
For a break from the crowds, head to District 3. With its leafy streets, colonial villas, and neighborhood cafes, it's a calmer, cooler side of Saigon. The bright pink Tan Dinh Church here offers a splash of color and quiet reflection in the midst of daily life.
Equally captivating are the spiritual places that dot the city. The Jade Emperor Pagoda is one of Ho Chi Minh City's most beloved temples. Here, statues of gods, warriors, and animals sit beneath flickering lanterns as worshippers leave offerings of flowers, incense, and whispered prayers.
Giak Lam Pagoda, the city's oldest, feels like a portal to another time. Its peaceful courtyards and ancient statues offer a refuge from the noise, where monks chant softly, and the air is thick with devotion and sandalwood.
Even amidst this spiritual stillness, the city moves with youthful energy. Over half the population is under 35, and it shows. In places like Saigon Outcast and the Factory Contemporary Arts Center, creativity runs wild in graffiti walls, art shows, and rooftop movie nights.
By evening, the energy shifts. Rooftop lounges like Social Club or The View offer cocktails with skyline views, while live music bars like Acoustic or Yoko Cafe fill the air with guitar chords and laughter. The city doesn't sleep, it evolves.
Beyond the urban core, day trips reveal southern Vietnam's softer side. The Mekong Delta is a vast watery world of canals, rice fields, and floating markets. Board a sampan, Taste fresh fruit straight from the trees, and listen as the river carries centuries of stories downstream.
Closer still is Congeo Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO-protected mangrove forest alive with monkeys, birds, and saltwater crocodiles. It's a tranquil world away from traffic and horns, where nature speaks louder than the city.
For beach lovers, Vung Tau offers a sunny seaside retreat just 2 hours away. Here, you can hike to the towering Christ of Vung Tau statue, swim in warm waters, or simply relax with fresh seafood and a sea breeze.
Meanwhile, back in the city, the canal zones offer an unexpected gem. The new La Catine Canal, once polluted, is now a revitalized green space where locals jog, fish, and enjoy cafe life along the water's edge. It's one of the best places to see everyday Saigon in motion.
When the Lunar New Year, or Tet, arrives, the city transforms into a vibrant tapestry of celebration. Blossoms decorate every home, lion dancers fill the streets, and temples overflow with offerings. It's the most sacred and joyful time to visit.
Whether you're strolling alleyways scented with grilled meats, sipping Safi Suade in a quiet courtyard, or zipping through traffic on the back of a motorbike, one thing becomes clear: Ho Chi Minh City is not a place you observe, it's a place you join.
Because in this city, nothing stands still. Not the people, not the culture, not the sky. Everything is in motion. Everything has a purpose. Everything, somehow, belongs.
Ho Chi Minh City is not just a stop on your journey, it's a destination that lingers in your memory long after you've left. A place that moves fast, yet leaves a lasting impression in the quiet moments, too.
Thank you for joining DSV Travel Trip on this deep and colorful journey through Ho Chi Minh City. If you've enjoyed this adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and share where in Vietnam you'd love to explore next.
Until next time, keep chasing the pulse of the world. Because in every street, every dish, every prayer and panorama, Vietnam's story is still being written. And here, in its boldest city, that story never sleeps.